welcome back to the Funky Techie channel. So as you can see what I have ordered today, it's a heated straightening brush from Philips, and its real cost is around 3695, but I just grabbed it for just rupees 3200 from Blinkit, and it's super quick, so I just couldn't wait to try it out. So let's see how it is going to work. I didn't even unbox this. I thought of I'll just do the unboxing in front of the camera only. So let's see how it looks like, because I have never tried the straightening brush. I have a simple straightener which looks like a tong, as you know. So I have ordered this, and even I have been waiting for my birthday to get this ordered for myself only. So the unboxing is done, and you can see how really it looks like. It is so sleek, easy to carry, handy, lightweight. So I really love those things which are handy, so that's why I really loved it. And I also went through the review. I mean, there was a bunch of the reviews and people who convinced me to get this ordered, whereas people also just mentioned the negative review for this brush. So I'm not sure how it is gonna make my hair frizz free, and I just believe it will give the natural hair straightening for my hair, because this brush just claims to heat up very quickly and gives the frizz free hair look, natural hair look. So I'm just very super excited to try it out. So here I have switched on, and let me turn it on, the straightening hair brush, how it looks like. This is how the light will start blinking once we turned it on. And you can see currently I didn't make any section of my hair, so I will just partition my hair in two parts. Let's do it. Remaining hair I'll do the straightening. I'll start the straightening from this side. So I'll just slowly glide this. Just ensure that it should not be blinded on your scalp. So as you can see, my this part and this part, so I have applied this brush on this part, and you can see I'm grinding this brush through my hair very slowly. You don't have to apply it on your scalp, otherwise it will damage your hair. So in order to just save your hair only, in order to get the natural look without damage, then you have to follow all the precautions, terms and condition which is given. I have gone through all the terms and condition before applying this on my hair. See, I guess it's actually giving the natural look, and I'm really loving this. So I guess my bottom part has not just properly straight. So guys, you can see my frizz-free look this side, how quickly it just straightened my hair, and this side is too much frizzy hair, you can see. So how quickly it has straightened up. I really loved it, and I'm so impressed with its quick response and the fast straightening speed. So as it claims, like, it gives always a natural look without any damage. So I can see here it is actually giving the natural look and without any hair damage. I didn't get any hair fall while applying this on my hair. But just ensure that you just glide this hairbrush very slowly, so that your scalps will not be damaged, but you have to ensure that you are applying it very carefully. So this side is done. I am going to straight this side, straight my hair. So here let me start with having the sections. Here you also have to glide very slowly. You don't have to go very fast through your hair, since it might damage your scalps. You have to save your scalps while applying this, because it has been heated up very very uh high volt. And I guess um but the look is so good after applying this. I can see I'm just going to add this in one of my favorites, since I think it's easy to apply and time saving. So, you don't have to apply it fast, as I already informed you. And second thing, what you have to take care of while doing your straightening with this brush, that just ensure that you just turn it off in the middle of the straightening if it has been heated too much. You don't have to apply it on your hair being heated too much, otherwise it may damage your scalps and your hair. So you can glide it very 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 slowly, and you have to just go through your hair in a very slow pace. Don't have to go fast. As you can see how much I had a frizzy hair and how it is looking frizzy free now. So you can see um my look after applying this, and I'm really loving this. So really guys, I'm so impressed with this Philips heated straightened brush. Actually it heated very quickly as it claims to be, and it's really good in gliding. If you are just applying your hair, it is just very smoothly going through your all over the hair. I didn't just get any it is too much smooth and flawless. And how it just gives the look of your hair, it's very flawless. And I have just it took around only 5 minutes to make my hair from frizzy to this straight. So as you can see the look of my hair, how it is looking, and how I'm feeling very confident with this hair look. So thank you so much for watching my video. I'll get back with my new video very soon. Bye.